I am Rahul. Welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am painting a cityscape. For this painting, I will be using watercolors. Most importantly, while painting or drawing, your drawing should be very strong. Watercolors medium is the most enjoyable medium. When you drop these colors on water, they spread, and we enjoy the same flow through this medium. Watercolor is a medium that is very easy for those who get it, and very difficult for those who don't. When doing watercolor, first of all, you have to learn how to wash properly using the wash method. While painting watercolor, you have to go from light to dark layer by layer. Since watercolor is a transparent medium, bringing transparency to the picture is an important part. Initially, when you drop colors on the paper, then use fresh colors most of the time. The colors in the painting turn gray due to some of your mistakes. So wash the brush properly and use clean water. When your first wash is complete, let the paper dry completely. Then start the second layer. Learn to mix another color with the wet color. While painting, it is very important to study the amount of water on the paper. And watercolor is a medium that the more daring you are, the better your painting will be. So be careful not to make mistakes while painting, and make your medium handling strong. Do not overwork the last layer and work only on the subtleties. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I can't wait to share more with you soon.